In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. So let's get started. Press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Now here you have to locate your Wi-Fi adapter and then you have to make a right click, select disable. Wait for some time, then make a right click, select enable. Now, once enabled, this will reconnect you to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, now you have to make a right click and then you have to select properties. Now, here in the properties, you have to look for Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Then here you will find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, you need to type 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. And then close this and close this. Then right click at the start button. Here you have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, you have to simply locate network adapters. And then locate your network adapter. Make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to choose the latest driver or choose what driver will work for you. Click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then close this and close this. Next method, press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here you need to type ipconfig space forward slash DNS. ipconfig space forward slash DNS and click on OK. Okay, that will help you fix the issue. And then you have to go ahead in the Windows search bar for the final method, type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, and here simply type NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.